Do you have to varnish your paintings? Let's say you just finished a painting and it's perfect. Is it necessary to varnish? There are 2 good reasons to varnish. It protects your painting and enhances the appearance of paint. Treatments to enhance and protect pictures are as old as the craft of painting. Historical varnishes ranged from waxes and resins and solvents to cooked oils with melted amber that were dangerous to make and could never be removed. It took months or years for paintings to dry enough to varnish. So centuries ago, artists used an egg white mixture called glaire to make them shiny. Later, they sponged off the egg and rubbed in thick oil varnish with their fingers, trying their best to avoid dust. Today, it's a lot simpler. Artists have their pick of flexible, non-yellowing synthetic varnishes that dry fast and can be sprayed or brushed on. And though most types give a gloss finish, matte or satin varnishes are also an option. Preservation is a key reason why varnishing is a good choice. Oil and acrylic paintings can be vulnerable when cleaned. Varnish isolates paint from dust and grime, and good varnishes can be removed by a skilled professional without harming the artwork. But what if you like your painting the way it is? You can protect your artwork under glass, or pick a display location that's relatively free of dust and contaminants. Preservation means maintaining art the way the artist intended, and any treatment that changes that isn't serving the purpose.